May ampalaya guys. Look. Look. Haba na, no? Of course, katabi niya is finally ang malunggay. Kalabasa. Lots of bell peppers. Tomatoes on the ground. Even this one, I made a container for my extra tomatoes. Peppers. And I'm so happy nag-sprout na po ang other side, ang palaya.